Hey guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hello everyone, my name is Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job opportunity from JPMorgan Chase Company. This is the opportunity for all the commerce graduates and freshers. As you all know, it's a leading multinational investment banking company. There are multiple locations available for this job. The locations are Mumbai and Bangalore. There they have mentioned clearly that it's a hybrid job, and the job category is analyst, which is entry level role for this company. Also, commerce graduate can apply for this role. If you have done BBA, BCom or MBA in finance, you can apply for this opportunity. It's a full-time employment with the company, and here they have mentioned a lot of job responsibilities. I am not from commerce background, so I am not as familiar of these terminologies. You can go through with all the job responsibilities. If you are from commerce background, you should know about these terminologies, and if you are comfortable to deliver these things to the company, you can apply for this role. The role and the department comes under credit risk. So here they have mentioned the qualifications. So you need to be very strong into financial accounting area. Also, you should know about balance sheet, profit and loss statement. You should familiar with cash flow modeling. You should have a good understanding of macroeconomic and sector factors affecting to corporates. You need to have good knowledge of lending, capital markets, and derivating products, familiarity with leverages finance. So if you are from commerce background, then you should know about these things, and if you have any of the certifications like CFA or FRM, then you can also add these in your resume to get shortlisted for this role. So it's a great company to start your career. You will get a good salary as well. If you have done MBA, you can earn up to 10 to 15 lakh per annum. If you have done just BBA or BCom, still you can earn up to 4 to 6 lakh per annum based on your skills and expertise. So you can start your career if you are a commerce student and commerce graduate. So I'll provide you the link in the video description. If you are interested, you can check and apply online. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to get regular job updates, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.